We'll guide you through how to check your Stripe balance. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Stripe website and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Look to the left side of the screen and you'll see a navigation menu. Click on the Balances tab from this menu. This will take you to a page where you can see an overview of your current Stripe balance. Here, you'll see both your available balance and your pending balance. Your available balance is the amount you can transfer to your bank account, while the pending balance includes payments that are still being processed and not yet available for transfer. If you want more details about specific transactions or payouts, you can click on the Transaction Then Payout tab, which is also located on the left-hand menu. This section provides a detailed breakdown of all payouts that have been made to your bank account, including dates and amounts. This is super handy for keeping track of your cash flow. If you need to dive even deeper, you can explore the Transactions tab to view individual transactions that make up your balance. This can help you identify which payments are pending or have been completed. It's a great way to keep tabs on your financial transactions and ensure everything is in order. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.